This is Kelley Hobart, and I'm here to show you how to cast on for the Night Shift Shawl by Andrea Mowry. Now, this is our cast on edge right here, and this is what I'm talking about starting. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to start that. The first thing that I'm going to do is do a slip knot, and I am going to cast on 6 stitches using the long tail cast on method. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the setup row for this pattern says that we should knit 3 and slip 3 with yarn in front. So I'm going to go ahead and knit 3, and then I'm going to place a stitch marker for my beginning of the round. So I knit 2, knit 3, place my stitch marker on, and then it says slip 3 stitches with yarn in front, and you go needle tip to needle tip, slipping them from the left hand needle over to the right hand needle with yarn in front. Now we're going to turn our work, and we're going to look at our setup row. We have a right sided row number 1 here, and it says knit 3, make 1 right, slip 3 with yarn in front. So we're going to knit 3, move our stitch marker, grab the running thread between the 2 stitches, put it on the needle back to front, make 1 right, slip 3 with yarn in front, needle tip to needle tip. My working yarn is in the front. Now we got row number 1 right-sided row done. Now we're on row number 2, wrong side. It says knit 3, purl 1, slip 3 with yarn in front, knit 1, 2, 3, purl 1, slip 3 stitches with yarn in front. So slip 1, 2, 3. Now we're on row number 3. Turn our work. Knit 3. The next row says knit 3, make 1 right, knit to the last 3 stitches, and slip 3 with yarn in front. So we're going to do that. Knit 1, 2, 3. Make 1 right, you grab the running thread between the 2 stitches and put it on the needle back to front. Make 1 right, knit to the last 3 stitches. The last 3 stitches, we slip them with the yarn in front. Turn our work. Now we're on row 4. Knit 3, purl to the last 3 stitches, slip 3 with yarn in front. Knit 1, 2, 3, purl to the last 3 stitches, slip 3 with yarn in front. 1, 2, 3. Now we're on to row number 5, but this one says rows 3 and 4, repeat rows 3 and 4 3 more times. 5 stitches will be increased, and you will have 11 stitches on the needle. So you would continue going back to number 3, row number 3, which is knit 3, make 1 right, and I'll just finish this one, and then you can continue on your own, and you should be okay to be able to do it. So knit 3, find the running thread, make 1 right, put it on the needle back to front. 1 second here. If you have a problem grabbing that, just pull it forward like that and then hold it, and then you'll be able to, oops, provided you don't get yarn stuck on your needle. Make 1 right and knit to our last 3 stitches. Knit 1, 2, and then we would slip 3 with yarn in front. And here is the beginning of our work, and it's the beginnings of the I-cord edge. So that's how you would cast on for the Night Shift Shawl.